This is a blogger's replica car. The body kit car was made by hand in sections. Car buck. I'll teach you how to make the body kit car of any car cheaply with affordable technology. Everyone can do it. I will show you 2 ways. Milling on CNC machine. Manual production by sections. Car buck. New videos with new cars every week. Hi bro. I am Rustem and my brother Aidar. Welcome to our workshop. We are a professional fiberglass bodybuilder, kit cars, and offer electronic drawings to build the body and interior of any car yourself. At the moment in the workshop we make fiberglass body, kit car, of legendary Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing with interior for the customer to order using CNC machine. Next, we plan to make projects of many other cars. You will be able to vote which car we will make next. In the following video, at the end of this video, you can see detailed step-by-step instruction on how to make the body kit car of any desired car by hand at the cheapest and most affordable technology.